Hello YouTube, this is the Brink padlock, series 642. Got this from the caveman. Just opened his package. Did the American 5200 with serrated pins, and I suspect this one also have serrated pin. I can see actually the key pin in the first position has serrations, so since we're in the serrated picking mood, we can do this as well. There's not going to be any gutting because I don't have a screwdriver here. But it's definitely serrated pins. You can see the use of the light tension, feather-like, to overcome the serrations, but the cord doesn't have any return spring, so you can pretty much continue where we left off. Spool in the back, another spool. I think I dropped the first one. And open. Thanks for watching.